The LG WM6998HPA is the latest advancement in combo washers and dryers. Now you put in your dirty clothes into one unit, go to bed, and wake up to clean and dry clothes. Amazing. But does it work? In this video, you'll learn about all the features of the LG all-in-one washer and dryer. Then you'll see the performance results of 4 different laundry loads. You'll also learn about a few very important issues, including some serious problems nobody seems to be discussing. Stay to the end for the 2 main issues you need to know before you buy this machine. The WM6998HPA is a washer-dryer combo, meaning you'll never have to transfer your clothes from a washer to a dryer. Pop your dirty clothes in, and they'll finish clean and dry. You don't have to rewash a load you forgot to place in your dryer, and that's probably why you're interested in this machine in the first place. This unit is ventless and operates at 120 volts of power, meaning you can place this anywhere with a standard outlet, water source, and drain. You also never have to worry about cleaning your dryer vent ever again. The drying system uses a heat pump instead of heating elements. Heat pumps heat the air with the compressor through an air exchanger with an evaporator, removing the moisture. It's a closed loop system and doesn't continuously draw air and expel heated air like your vented dryer, nor does it project heat back into the room like other condenser types. Heat pumps are far more efficient. Will save you $150 to $175 a year based on Boston's 2023 utility rates if you use this dryer just once a day. WM6998 is a larger front-load machine at 5 cubic feet with 30 wash cycles and 18 wash options. You can also customize your own cycles through a really good intuitive app. The time remaining is tracked on your phone, and you'll receive a push notification when the cycle is finished. This machine has an AIDD, artificial intelligence direct drive motor that uses sensors by weight and fabric type. AIDD was first deployed in their award-winning wash towers in 2020. Other notable features include a 31 load dispenser, which dispenses the exact amount of detergent needed at the right time. People tend to put way too much detergent in their laundry. That excess soap seeps into the machine for an expensive future service call. Auto dispensers solve this problem by automatically dispensing the precise amount of detergent at the right time. Their Turbo 360 cycle turns any wash cycle into 30 minutes using 5 high-pressure sprays. But LG's best feature is its reliability. LG washers are the most reliable appliance sold at Yale based on 37,000 plus service calls completed by a service department just last year. That's service calls, not opinions, lab results, or surveys. An LG washer is one of the most reliable appliances we have sold over the last 5 years. Now let's see how the LG all-in-one combo washer and dryer performs in 4 different loads. We stain the clothes with chocolate milk to test the washability. For 4 towels, 6 extra large men's shirts, the machine showed 3 hours and 25 minutes, but actually finished in 2 hours and 51 minutes. For king-size sheets and blankets, it showed 2 hours and 2 minutes, but finished in a bit later at 2 hours and 8 minutes. For whites, including 8 men's shirts, 4 towels, and 8 men's large t-shirts, showed 2 hours 50 minutes and completed in 2 hours and 48 minutes. For comforter, the cycle was completed in 2 hours and 1 minute, while it indicated 2 hours and 12 minutes. Well, it worked. The stains were removed from the clothes. The bedding was not dried thoroughly, but then again, bedding is never dried completely in any dryer. The machine did a nice job removing the lint, at least for now. But that's the problem. The downside is heat pump dryers take longer to dry, as you see in our tests. Heat pumps were invented in 1856, but were first put in dryers in 1997, but only smaller compact types. The GE Profile Ultra Fast and LG Wash Tower featured the larger heat pumps, marked the debut of the larger heat pump dryers, with both models launching just last year. It's a consideration, but not the main problem. Many have remarked that the LG is much more streamlined than its competitor, the GE Profile Ultra Fast over here. That's true, but it's not either. The GE Profile Ultra Fast has a larger heat pump dryer compared to LG's combo machine. LG also adds the resistance heater, but still the GE Profile performed better, at least in our tests. I'm not telling you to buy the GE. LG has better cycles, a better track record of reliability, and LG is one of the most reliable single appliances you can buy, and is typically $300 to $500 less than the GE right now. The LG lint trap works, although it's not ADA compliant, being on the top versus the front on the GE profile. We'll talk a lot about lint later in the video. Also, LG's heat pump is only under warranty for 1 year, so after year 1, you're on your own, versus 5 years for the GE. The WM6998 requires 4 inches of depth according to their handbook, totaling almost 38 inches. So check your space, especially if you're placing it in a closet. The main problem with previous combination washer dryers is lint removal. When you buy a separate washer and dryer, the washer removes some of the lint while the rest is captured by the dryer. In a combo, over time, lint will be trapped in the machine for an expensive and almost impossible future service call. We service everything we sell and logged over 37,000 service calls just last year. So we try not to sell anything that we can't fix or is too unreliable. That's why this and the GE Ultra Fast are the first combo washer dryers we've ever sold, because they've addressed the lint issue. Although they did work in our tests for 4 loads, nobody can predict how LG or the Ultra Fast will remove lint and what that service looks like in the future. If you want to see how the LG compares the GE Ultra Fast, click this link, and thanks for watching.